Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove or change your invite code in the World app. Perfect if you're stuck with an old code or just want a fresh start. So let's get into it. By the way, keep in mind the World app doesn't allow you to log out or directly remove your existing invite code inside the app. So the only way to reset it is by removing the app completely from your phone. To do this, just press and hold the World app icon, then tap uninstall or remove app. Once that's done, you want to head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and download the World app again. When you open it after and reinstalling, the app will treat you like a brand new user. So go ahead and create a new account, and when you reach the invite code field, you can simply skip it. And that's it. That's how you remove or reset your invite code in the World app by reinstalling and creating a new verified account. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.